Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Laval-des-Rapides is a vibrant and historically rich district of Laval, Quebec. Laval is located on Ile Jésus, just north of Montreal, separated by the Rivière des Prairies. Laval-des-Rapides is one of Laval's central neighborhoods, known for its urban feel and strong connection to both nature and history. Historically, the island was originally inhabited by the Mohawk people. In 1636, it became a French Jesuit mission, after being granted as a seigneury. The island was later named Ile Jésus, reflecting its ties to the Jesuit ownership. Laval-des-Rapides, specifically, saw its first wave of development in the early 20th century, and was incorporated as a municipality in 1912, before becoming part of the larger city of Laval in 1965. Today, Laval-des-Rapides is known for its lively atmosphere and accessibility. It's home to the Montmorency Metro Station, the main gateway connecting Laval to Montreal. The area also boasts the beautiful Parc des Prairies, a perfect spot to enjoy the outdoors, with trails, picnic spaces, and views of the river. Laval itself has grown significantly over the years. Starting as a rural area with farming and limestone quarrying, it has evolved into Quebec's third-largest city with a diverse economy. The city balances its urban development with cultural preservation, seen in its historic churches and landmarks. Laval-des-Rapides offers a wonderful mix of history, culture, and modern living. Whether you're here to explore, relax, or learn something new, it's a place full of stories and charm.
watching!